Well, the learned ones say that it's better to build children than to repair men. So it is the vision for Manica Diamonds. And I tell you what, this afternoon they've humbled MFS, the Old Boys Club Association is their nicknamed, as they edged them by 3 goals to 0. And with me now here is the 2 gentlemen who are the heroes of this afternoon. That is Simpson Mutate and Charles Masosha. This one scored a brace and he was assisted by this one. This one scored the 3rd goal and he was assisted by this one. So I'm sure you can agree there's a partnership between these guys. Well, wakomana, murakoona partnership ndo andoradza murunzi wasei kuti nhasuno ndimona wamunisane kuasistana especially maskata karenga nhasi ntongani Simpson
azvi zvinokufadza nekuti ka combination kacho akasumisika ma1 ka combination kawo
right tichenda kwa Charles unonzi wasei kuti wa assisted 2 goals at the end of the day vozo mumiso rako. How do you feel? What do you see yourself? Urikuona waenda kupi nenyaya zvinabvu idzi?
Ini ndotona ndaenda kuti sezoti pa window dazo club yedu Manica Diamonds ndikwanisa kuenda ku senior team ende ndotozvichemba ne confidence nazo.
Oh, well, there you heard him saying that I want to be promoted to go to the senior team. And with what I saw, trust me, I'm sure he will be promoted to go to the senior team. So now, gentlemen, I'm with you. Iwewe pachako ndiana unoti ukatarisa unoti ndikasvika pa level raningi zvangu zvinenge zvakuita.
Sexo Dilla.
Yeah. Well, yeah, he said that my role model is Steve Dilla Sibanda. Well, in case you don't know who Steve Dilla Sibanda is, he is a senior striker at the senior team that is Manica Diamond Football Club. Well, as I always say, as I always preach, I myself, Richard Zimunya, that love is not love until you give it away. It's bye-bye for now.